car crash. You're gonna be a car crash. Nothing left to do and watch time on hold. Story like 1,000 times before, the same told unfolds. Just another life, another man. Did what I could, it's an ending. Mind bending, that should never happen, and it does. Again, 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 and again. It's going to be one hell, oh, a car crash. Just you wait and see. Just you wait and see. No pause but no rewind. I wish you were just one of a kind, but there are many of you, too many to count, so many to count, yeah. Just you wait and see. Just you wait and see. You're gonna be a car crash. You're gonna be a car crash. Nothing left to do but watch time on hold. Story like 1,000 times before, the same told unfolds. Just another life, another man. Did what I could, it's an ending. Mind bending, that should never happen, then it does. Again, 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 and again. I can't quit on you like so many others have done before. Knowing you're in the car crash, all is left to do is wait, then watch the car crash, watch you crash. Here in the car crash, the fallout will be horrendous. One beautiful human society, professional, complete and total mess. It's not like a lack of trying, being there when needed. Time and future has now superseded. You're the right to be, it can't be prevented by the system. Your grand finale has been well and truly cemented.